In this question, a sum of money was shared among 4 people. So we were told that the first 2 person, Ling and Kelly, shared 0.55 of the total sum of money. So let's define Ling and Kelly first. Ling plus Kelly is 0.55. Okay, if you find it difficult to think in terms of decimal, you can convert it into fractions, which might be easier. So 0.55 is actually 11 out of 20 of the total amount of money. So if this 2 person has 11/20 of the money, then the other 2 person, M and N, should have the other 0.45. You can take 1 whole minus 0.55. 0.45 convert to fraction is also equal to 9/20. We were also told that Nina is received 0.25 less than the total of Ling and Kelly. So N is 0.25 less than Ling and Kelly. So the keyword here is then this 2 person. So this 2 person must be equals to 1 whole. So in this case, before that, let's convert this decimal into a fraction to make it easier for us to think through the question. So 0.425 is actually equals to 1/4. So Nina is 1/4 less than L and K, Ling and Kelly. 1/4 less than. So L and K should be treated as the 1 whole. But because this is a fractional comparison, so we will convert this into 4/4. Okay, since Ling and Kelly is 4/4 and Nina is 1/4 less than that 4/4, so Nina should be 3/4. So we can say that Nina is 3/4 of L and K, but L and K is actually equals to 11/20. So Nina should be 3/4 of 11/20. So Nina is equals to 33/80 of the total sum of money. Okay, and then we also know that, so this is actually Nina. Okay, but Nina is actually inside here in this relationship. So Nina plus Mel is 9/20, and since Nina is 33/80, so we can easily find what is Mel. Mel would be equals to the total of Mel and Nina, 9/20, minus Nina, 33/80, equals to, convert this into same denominator. Okay, so 20 times 4 is 80, 9 times 4 is 36. Then we will subtract what Nina has, 38/80. So the difference is 3/80. This 3/80 is the fraction that Mel has. But we were told in the question that Mel actually received $750. So the 3/80 should be $750. Okay, so let's go on. 3/80 for Mel is $750. Therefore 1/80 is 750 divided by 3 equals to $250. And part A, they want us to find Nina. Okay, so Nina is 33/80, which means that Nina is 33 times $250 equals to $8,250. That's the answer for part A. Okay, to find part B, we were told that the difference between Kelly and Ling was 0.45 of the total of the 4 girls. Kelly and Ling is 0.45. So L and K is 0.45 is the difference, okay? But we know that L and K, the sum from the previous steps, that the L and K is actually has a total of 1120. So we can work out the relationship between L and K using this simple model, a comparison model of the sum and difference between L and K. Now we were told in the question that K is more than L, so K should be the larger one. So the total sum is 1120 according to our previous pages. So the difference is 0.45. 0.45 is 920. Okay. So first we convert this to the equivalent fraction similar to what the rest, which is the denominator 80. So we will change this into denominator 80 times 4. So the total is 4480. This part here is actually 920 or 0.45. We also change it into denominator 80, which is times 4, 36. So if this is 36, 44 minus 36, you should get 8 out of 40. 8 out of 40 is the total of these two portions. So each part should be 4 out of 40. 4 out of 40. Okay, so therefore Kelly is I made a mistake here. Should be 4 out of 80, and this one is 4 out of 80. Yeah, and then when you add up, so we can conclude that for Ling, she received 4 out of 80. For Kelly, she received the total of these two parts, which is 40 out of 80. That is the total of 480 plus 3680. Okay, so since we worked out the relationship between the two of them, then we can proceed to solve part B. First, let me write down the steps for what we did on the model. 4480 minus the 3680, which is the 0.45, you should get 880. Your 880 divided by 2 equals to 480. 480 plus 3680 equals to 4080. So 480 belongs to Ling and 4080 belongs to Kelly. Okay, so the final question is, how much did Ling receive? So Ling received 480. Just now we found out that 180 is actually $250. Therefore, 480 must be equal to 4 times $250 equals to $1,000. So this is the answer for part B.